Hello, it's me again. I wanted to show you some cool deals that are on Aliexpress for the 11th of November. This is the electronics section. Links can be seen in the video's description. These are tools and home improvement sections. A lot of neat stuff. Oh, this looks nice. Many tools. This is a magnetic wristband to attach screws and nuts and such. Very cool stuff. Here are some phones and assorted equipment like cables and such, connectors, I assume, memory cards, whatever. This is the toys section. Nice stuff. Cool prices. And the computer section. And assorted connectors and stuff like memory cards, routers, USB drives. The links can be seen at the video's description. Let's go back to the electronics. If there is something cool and nice. Anker, by the way, is a nice brand. With those I'm not familiar. Anyway, check the links at the video's description. They will lead you into those sections. Have fun!